Hey everyone, welcome to my garden. I'm so excited to share this beautiful day with you. I'm Momom, Inuchurum Sididas. Hi, I'm Susie. Please support me and subscribe to my channel. Stay until the end. Aren't you curious where I'm going? We're passing a farm now. It's beautiful out here. Yes, the view is amazing. Hi everyone, welcome to my pig pen. These little guys are so full of life today. Come on, let's take a closer look. Hi everyone, welcome to the pig barn. These are our happy pigs. They love visitors. Let's go say hi. Write in the comments if you liked it. I'm filming the second part. See you!